This is Embracing Digital This Week with Darren Pulsifer. This week's top stories. In cybersecurity news, Intel's 2023 product security report revealed that they detected 94% of vulnerabilities proactively, had 3 times fewer firmware bugs than AMD, and experienced a 150% increase in unique security researchers engaged. This highlights Intel's industry leadership, proactive approach to security, success in identifying and fixing vulnerabilities, and engagement with researchers. These efforts are crucial in protecting against the growing frequency and sophistication of cyber attacks. On February 24, 2024, United Health experienced a cybersecurity issue that has impacted their ability to provide healthcare services. The nature and extent of the attack are currently unknown, but the disruption has caused challenges to the company's operations. United Health is actively working to address the issue and restore normalcy to their services. Further investigation is underway to determine the source and impact of the cybersecurity breach. Healthcare is still being targeted by cyber attacks, and over the February 24-25, 2024 weekend, a nationwide cybersecurity issue caused delays and disruptions to pharmacy services across the United States. Although the specific nature of the cybersecurity problem and its consequences for pharmacies are still unknown, efforts are underway to investigate the situation and resolve the issue as soon as possible. The goal is to minimize any further disruptions to pharmacy services on a national level. In ubiquitous computing news, the global AI market was valued at $27 billion in 2019 and is expected to reach $400 billion by 2027, with a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 40%. This growth is primarily due to the increased adoption of AI in sectors such as healthcare, finance, retail, and manufacturing. With tech giants such as OpenAI and Intel driving innovation in machine learning and AI chips, the market is experiencing significant growth. These advancements highlight a future in which AI technologies will play a crucial role in reshaping industries and fostering innovation. IBM Cloud places a high priority on data sovereignty and provides customized solutions to clients operating in heavily regulated industries. The Enterprise Cloud for Regulated Industries, which includes IBM Cloud for Financial Services, is designed to address sector-specific requirements, with a focus on data residency and privacy. IBM's latest services offer innovative approaches to data protection, such as advanced encryption, confidential computing, and data security measures. This commitment helps clients globally to meet evolving regulations while building trust and resilience in the adoption of cloud services for highly regulated sectors. As concerns over costs, data security, and infrastructure control continue to grow, organizations are opting for cloud repatriation projects. This involves moving data and applications from the cloud back to on-premises or private cloud environments. To optimize cloud strategies, businesses are taking a more nuanced approach, considering the benefits of cloud services against specific operational and regulatory requirements. It is vital for organizations to tailor their cloud deployment models to individual business needs, ensuring a well-planned and customized cloud strategy that meets evolving considerations. In advanced communications news, AT&T experienced a temporary outage on February 22, 2024, attributed to a software update error during network expansion, not a cyber attack. The disruption affected wireless services for some customers but has been fully restored. Investigating agencies, including the FBI and DHS, found no signs of malicious activity. AT&T apologized and assured steps to avoid future incidents. Competitors Verizon and T-Mobile reported normal operations but acknowledged potential challenges when connecting with affected AT&T users. In a groundbreaking initiative, NTT and Sky Perfect JSAT are developing the Space Integrated Computing Network, a satellite networking system that utilizes space-based data centers powered by photonics and optical technology. This innovative approach aims to overcome the limitations of earthbound data processing, offering faster data analysis, reduced power consumption, and improved resistance to space radiation. The Space Integrated Computing Network is expected to launch in 2025, ushering in a new era of sustainable and resilient data infrastructure by harnessing the power of space. Verizon Business and Audi have collaborated to establish a private 5G wireless network at Audi's test track in Germany, replicating global connectivity environments. The network, equipped with Nokia's dual 5G and LTE platform, Amazon Web Services multi-access edge computing and other technologies, facilitates testing of various applications, including voice, video, safety features, autonomous mobility, and cellular vehicle-to-everything (CVUX) functionalities. This collaboration aims to enhance testing efficiency and provide a competitive edge in the global marketplace. In Embracing Digital Transformation news, Darren interviewed Dan Burgess, the managing director and founder of Burgess Institute, about his experience with digital transformation during the COVID-19 pandemic. Due to the pandemic, Dan's in-person Spanish language training school was shut down in the early days of the crisis. However, within weeks of the shutdown, the school was able to successfully transition to a fully online platform. Not only did this save the school, but it also led to an increase in the number of students enrolled. That's it for Embracing Digital this week. If you've enjoyed this episode, check out our full-length weekly podcast, Embracing Digital Transformation, and check out our website, embracingdigital.org. Until next week, go out and embrace the digital revolution.